Brett here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use an AI tool to automatically add captions right in your video and customize them for long form and short form videos. Okay, so this is v.io and I'll have a link in the description so you can sign up. This is the tool I've used. I've tested others. I know there's captions.ai and a few others, but I have chosen Veed. Why? Because they have a lot of other features that kind of gives it that all-in-one instead of just the captions. As you can see here, there's all sorts of other things, but today we're focusing on that one particular thing, which is just add the captions. So all you have to do is you can either record a video with your webcam, and they do have an app too to add captions, but we're going to go create a new project. Okay, so here you go right here. And like I said, there's an app. You can do the same thing. Upload a video or take a video right on your phone and do it right in the v.io app. So link below for that. So right here on, this is the website. You can either upload files, video files from your computer. You can start by recording or start by AI. And I might talk about those in future videos. So subscribe if you're interested. But we're going to start by recording. And let's pretend I'm sitting at my desk here with this beautiful setup, and I want to make a short video, which is how I did most of the ones on my channel. So first of all, let's say we want to do size, a YouTube short, so it does the aspect ratio. And by the way, here's one of the things that I really, really like about Veed. This is really one of the main reasons I chose, is because even though you can see on the screen, you can only see what's visible to help you frame it. When you record this clip and then go to edit it, you can actually again expand out. Just like in the corner here where my face is, let me actually show you the recording. So this is the recording, my screen, and then me. Now with other programs like Loom, you're stuck to recording this little portion at the bottom here is basically built into one screen recording, and that's just layered on it and you can't change it. The screen and the video feed are actually recorded separately. So you can go in later and take this and open it up, close it, and that's just why I made another video on my channel, best free screen recorder, because you can get those features for free with Veed. So right here, we can't record because I believe probably I'm already recording. But I'm going to jump over to another video and show you how it would work. Okay, so we've uploaded this video here, which is another video on my channel. Let's just cut to the opening scene here. So 38 seconds, and what I'm saying doesn't matter. The point is the captions. So then you can go over here on the left and you can see, where does it say captions? Audio subtitles, they call it. All you have to do is click auto-generate subtitles. Right? And like I said, you can change the aspect ratio to be like as if it was a short. Okay, so then I see right here at the bottom, if it's selected, it won't come up. Just click in the blank area. Original, you can then change it to YouTube short just like that. And you can move, should be able to adjust to that where I am by opening that up a bit, closing that to kind of center it and have it be a little bit more centered there. Then subtitles. Okay, so here we go, generating subtitles. And it is using AI, so it has to bounce off the servers. It usually doesn't take too long. If you're making a 1 minute short, it's typically only going to take 20 to 30 seconds. And then as you see, all the shorts are in here just like that. All sorts of options you can select from. You can go in and edit them manually, change the timing. There's other features. There used to be an emoji feature. I'm not sure if that's still in here. I haven't seen it. Where you can add to the subtitles emojis. Right here. Here we go. So we can select our preset. Let me just move this camera. Move it up a little bit. Let's pick one that we like. I like this one here, Venta. Play it. Right there. And then what you can do is edit, and there's all these other features where you can completely customize it. How many lines of text? So if you want 2 lines or 1 line, the size, the color of it, the text outline, which as you can see, we can thicken or completely have just a little bit. A shadow. Shadow can be cool. I like a shadow. We're going to stick to just, let's see, let's actually get rid of outline and add a little bit more of a shadow. That's what I like. And yellow's good. Background, you can add a background. I don't want that. Float in, so there's different animations you can select. Auto highlight, which I believe highlights the word being spoken at the time. Let's see. Highlight style. Okay, I think because it's highlighted yellow. So if we go blue, there we go. So then I guess it just highlights a random word. Auto emoji. I really like the auto emoji one to give it a little bit of an extra effect. And you can go into emoji editor, and so for I'm going to show it gives you that in this video, a tape, and you can go in here and you can edit every single line, a different emoji you can have for that line. So you can go in here and completely customize it. And once you're all done customizing that, then at the top right here, select the done. Export HD or 4K. I'm going to go with HD. Now you want to select the burn subtitles if you want it built into the video. If you so right here, it probably will tell you. Let's see, burn. Anyway, burn is where it adds it right onto the video feed. If you don't burn it, it will still create those subtitles, but it just won't be in the video. You can export them as like a separate text. But if you're making a short, of course, you want them burned directly onto it. And then there's other features. I always go the highest quality and then export video. And then Veed's going to export that video for you. And let's see here. Again, it's actually very, very quick. I have used Premiere Pro because this, I believe, is using their servers where Premiere Pro would use the power of your own computer. And then as you can see, this is the completed video. Play it, and you have the captions right there in the bottom. So if you make sure you hit subscribe, right here on the screen is going to be a recommended video for you. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.